Welcome back. This is a Kilted Texan with another review of another flight controller. This one happens to be that Omnibus F4 flight controller, the all-in-one with the PDB and all that good stuff on it. It's got an OSD and all that, but we're running Betaflight 405 on her. And as you can see there, she's pretty nicely done. She's got lots of room for all your solder points, and of course those ESCs are directly connected there because it is a PDB as well. Got a capacitor on the back trying to clean up the video. I'll show you here in a little bit. It doesn't quite do the trick all together, but she does not too bad. Got a GPS wired up on her. It does have 3-volt right there next to it, so it makes it nice and easy. I kind of like to run my GPSs at the 3.3 volt. It just makes me feel better about myself as a human being. Got these 2307S motors, these old Racer Stars. These are the 2200 kV, and you know, just trying to make it so that I don't feel bad if I throw a 5S battery on her and just let her rip. So anyways, I got that Foxeer mix camera on there. I don't know how foxy it is. I mean, it's pink and all, so you got to be secure in your manhead to put it on your quad. But you know, I'm pretty all right with that. I wear a kilt every once in a while, so I'm a pretty secure man. This sucker will stay in there for quite a while if you put the right battery on her. She is a big girl, so don't get me wrong. She does suck down quite a bit of go juice when she's in the air. I have noticed I had to bump that current meter thingamajig on Betaflight up, and I've got her set at like 770 so that the current draw actually reads somewhere near realistic. But anyway, I'm going to bring out some flight footage and show you that this cheapy little old F4 really does do the job nice, and she runs Betaflight, and you can put a GPS on her, and if your quad runs out of signal, she will come back to you just like a nice hunting hound. So it's good to see that, and we'll get to the flight footage. Now here we are, and I'm gonna edit this down because you don't want to see a full 7-minute flight that I pulled off of this dude. So anyway, we were just kind of flooping around out here and trying to see if we could get this flight controller to puke itself up. So I mean, you can see she handled everything we would throw at her, and the video's nice and clean. There's not a whole lot of jello in it at all, and these are pretty harsh lighting conditions with that sun just barreling down on it. And look at there, I mean, you know, there's no bobbles, no hiccups, no oopsies, it didn't puke in the bed or nothing. And she just kept going no matter what we threw at her. She was happy and actually read the correct current draw off of that, and that was my fault. I was the idiot there. But I was just trying to get used to her because she is a rather hefty young lady trying to sling her around like that. And you know, I like dancing with the big ladies because I tell you what, you get them moving in one direction, you run over those little stick figures all day long on the dance floor. But there you go, you know, kind of popping through these trees here. She's pretty confident trying to get in and out of all these little tight spaces, even though this is a big 6-inch quad. And that flight controller handled everything we could throw at it and was completely happy the whole time doing it. You know, she didn't burp or complain or nothing. And, you know, we really didn't get any oscillations. We didn't, you know, really get any bouncing or anything out of her. Now these are the community presets off of Betaflight 405. So if you're looking to get the tune like this, I just changed the rates on it because, you know, some of these guys are running rates so fast, you flip the stick to one direction and all of a sudden you're spinning off into oblivion out there, and I just can't do that. I need something a little bit more subtle, you know, like me. But I mean, you can see here that this flight controller took everything we could throw at it. There is absolutely nothing, you know, it's a cheap flight controller, and she'll get you in the air if you happen to be lacking something like that. And again, some of this is some old tech that I've had laying around for a while, and I'm just looking for a way to make it, you know, not collect dust in my house. So I figured we'd just go ahead and throw it on this dude and see what happened. And she is ready and raring to go, and you know, I can't find any fault with it. So I'd say that Omnibus F4 PDB flight controller thingy, it seems to do its job. And if you're interested in it, I don't see an issue with you picking one up. So have fun and keep her in the air.